Justin. Here's your little 363 small block Ford. Gives description as combination. It has got the Holley IRAM side mount on it. Obviously, it's got the Vortech YSI concept fun pulley set we had made. Set of AFR cylinder heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 483 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 707, peak horsepower 818, still climbing. So it's conservative tune on it and everything. So we'll show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number. That's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. This QR code, that'll take you some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. It'll definitely help you installation. Have a great day.